So if you're a parent or just somebody who loves to go to sporting events, there's nothing worse than sitting on those plain old metal bleachers or wooden bleachers. That's why you need to get yourself one of these things. This thing is really, really cool. It's so easy, it's lightweight. You open it up right here, you flip it over. So you could put your drink in here, you could put your keys, your phone in here. You could put your phone in there too. Put your glasses down in here. You open up the Velcro here, so this flap will sit flush here. And then you open up this little Velcro, and there's your hook to hold the seat in place. So you put your seat down, get your hook under there, and you lift your seat up. Boom. You get your nice padding right there. I also want to talk about the material itself is a polyester. It's a water resistant polyester, and it's definitely a material you can clean real easily. And again, I like the 2-inch padding that they have in here because your butts get a little sore sitting on bleachers like this, so that's pretty handy. When you go to pack it up, it's pretty simple. You just lean it back, flip this over. You're gonna flip the hook over, Velcro it. You have the Velcro here. You're gonna Velcro that right there. Put your seat down. Here's your clip. You clip it together, and you can put it over your shoulders with the straps, or you can just carry it like that. And again, it's super lightweight, great for the grandparents to take this to see the kids. You got this little clear pouch here. You can put your name and phone number in case you lost it or left it at a game. Somebody could contact you. Got a great little holder here. Put your phone in there, put your keys, hold your drink in there. I mean, this thing is real handy. We've had seats before that did not have this, so definitely a plus. Ask my wife to demonstrate it, you know, over your shoulders like a backpack. This thing is really, really cool. You can just watch her how she sets it up, how easy and lightweight it is. It's a great product. If this is something that interests you guys, I will link everything in the description. If you like videos like this, I have a ton of them, ranging from pool stuff to flashlights to all kinds of DIY and reviews. So if you like what you see here, I appreciate subscription to the channel. Give us a thumbs up. And again, if you have any comment on anything, feel free to leave it. I'm really good at responding to questions about any of the products that I'm reviewing.
Smile and wave.
And thanks again. Have a great day.